The Wipa-Boots are sterile boot covers for ground sampling. A sterility certificate is available for download on our website, and each bag has a unique identifier and a lot number that ensure full product traceability. Identify the bag. Open the bag and remove the Wipa-Boots without touching the inside of the bag. Put on the stretchable shoe covers and walk through the sampling area at a steady pace. Then, remove the shoe covers and place them back in the same bag, which is airtight and ready for transport and laboratory analysis. Wipa-Boots, durable, reliable, and perfectly suited for floor sampling. Contact our team to learn more about the Wipa-Boots.